Welcome to our channel. Today we how to enable AWS AppFlow to move data into Snowflake step by step clearly. Begin by logging into your AWS Management Console. From the console dashboard, locate and search for AppFlow in the services search bar. Click on AppFlow to open the AppFlow service dashboard. Next, select Create Flow to initiate a new data flow. You will be prompted to enter a name for your flow. Choose a descriptive name that reflects its purpose. Under the Source section, select the data source you wish to connect to. Depending on your choice, you may need to provide additional authentication details, such as API keys or credentials. After configuring your source, click Next to proceed to the destination settings. In the Destination section, select Snowflake as your target destination. You will need to input specific connection details for your Snowflake account. These include your Snowflake account name, username, password, database, schema, and warehouse name. Ensure that the JDBC URL format is correct to avoid connection issues. Once you've entered all required information, click Next to configure your flow settings. Specify the data mapping between your source and Snowflake destination. Review each field to ensure they align correctly. After verifying the mappings, click on Next to review your flow configuration. Take a moment to review all settings, ensuring accuracy before finalizing. If everything looks good, click Create Flow to complete the setup process. You will receive confirmation of your flow creation along with a summary of the configurations. To execute the flow, navigate back to the AppFlow dashboard and locate your newly created flow. Click on the flow name to access its detail page. From here, you can manually trigger the flow or set up a schedule for automatic execution. Monitor the execution status in the Flow Runs section to verify successful data transfer. Finally, log into your Snowflake account to confirm that the data has been imported as expected. This concludes the step-by-step process for enabling AWS AppFlow to move data into Snowflake. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.